Instagram is the leading social media platform for discovering new brands, experiences, and trends. Instagram's algorithm prioritizes posts in specific ways, two of which are especially important for social marketers: interest and timeliness. This means that how much a user interacts with similar content in the past will impact posts in their feed, and more recent posts are prioritized over older content. The main takeaway for brands? Post engaging content regularly. When planning content to post, experts advise only 20% of your content should be promotional. The rest should tell your brand's story. For example, show your company's employees at work, which humanizes your brand and gives followers a behind-the-scenes glimpse of daily life on the job. Use Instagram's carousel feature to combine photos and videos from an event into one post. This lets you tell a visual story and avoids overwhelming your followers with multiple posts. Captions are important for expressing key information and your brand's personality. The general format to follow when writing an Instagram caption has 3 parts. 1. A short description of what's happening in the photo. 2. An open-ended question to encourage your audience to comment and engage. And 3. Relevant hashtags to make your content discoverable. These steps increase engagement, which in turn helps prioritize your posts in Instagram's algorithm. When asking a question of your audience, keep it relevant and specific so that your audience is eager to reply. Remember that your audience is always eager to share their opinions, you just need to engage them with the right questions. Instagram lets you follow hashtags, which is useful for monitoring your own branded hashtags and others that are important to your business. You'll see new posts with those hashtags in your main Instagram feed, regardless of who posts them. While hashtags are useful for making your content discoverable, using too many in a post will make it look cluttered. Add 1 or 2 in your main caption, and if you need to add more, hide them at the end of your post by adding line breaks. Or add them as a comment right after you've posted. To keep track of hashtags that work well for you, create lists of them in the Notes app on your device. Separate the lists into general categories based on the type of content you post regularly. Remember that the work isn't over once your photo is posted. Stay on top of engagement by replying to comments in an authentic, positive way. The best times to post on Instagram can vary. Try posting outside of local work hours when your followers are likely checking their feeds, but remember to experiment and see what produces the best results. Instagram business accounts have access to insights, which shows when your audience is online and is a great tool for deciding when to schedule posts. Insights also shows you the demographics of your audience, such as their age, location, and gender, so that you can better tailor your content to them. It also lists your top performing Instagram posts, so you can learn from them and create similar content, building on what works best for your audience.